Hi, this is Lisa Galley, and I'm sharing a few notes from my panel session yesterday at the California Public Utilities Commission workshop on energy efficiency finance. You can find this particular video in connection with a blog post at my blog at Our Green Journey, and the address for that is at our website at galaecocapital.com/ourgreenjourney. And a downloadable version of this mind map is on that blog post. First off, let's look at the products that are available. At this point, we see that only conventional loans, some amount of on-bill financing from utilities, and some talk of PACE for commercial programs could be available for landlords. In terms of loans, we're talking about conventional bank loans. With on-bill financing, apartment landlords qualify because apartments are a business, and as long as the landlord doesn't live there, then they're going to qualify for getting retrofit dollars. An issue is whether the program is funded enough that a landlord can rely upon the money being there when he or she is ready to reach out for those retrofit dollars. It was suggested that the CPUC needs to consider expanding the mandate for PACE to cover new construction for multifamily properties as well. Next, we've talked about the various transaction points where a capital event occurs and energy efficiency retrofits can be influenced on a property. I advise them to consider the potential impact of performing energy reducing retrofits and maintenance in units as they're being turned over when tenants move in and out. Because of the diversity of perspectives, we were able to offer the CPUC quite a bit of rich advice about what we're seeing in the market that they should consider as they try to upgrade and improve the state of energy efficiency finance for multifamily. I talked a bit about understanding the value creation process that a landlord works with when he's trying to improve market rate apartments. Currently, there's a great demographic opportunity in California and throughout the United States for urban infill apartments due to the rise of the baby boomers as well as the Generation Y sections of the population. Also, from the standpoint of product design, they really need to look at one-stop shopping and the incredible convenience that it would bring to landlords trying to access programs, which would possibly help to increase demand for their products and make owners decide more proactively in favor of retrofits. From the other participants across the board, there was a clear focus on the need for more data on how well retrofitted multifamily properties perform. All of the participants talked about the fact that it was difficult for them to marshal the kinds of investment dollars that they'd like to put into multifamily market rate properties because of the fact that they do not have enough data showing what the payoff will be from the retrofits. From all of the discussion, I saw various themes emerge, and they all pointed to the need for the CPUC and any agencies that they work with to really focus on understanding the green building business case, because that would define the maximum points of value that are available to themselves as well as to landlords and other market participants. First of all, when conceiving new energy efficiency financing projects, they need to think about the point of property valuation for when they decide where the financing needs to happen. In my opinion, that means they need to become more involved with private sector lenders and make products that are tailored to what lenders can manage and handle through their own distribution systems. They also have to realize that although they have a goal of reducing energy use in buildings, energy savings are only one of several ways that value is created from energy efficiency retrofits. And some of the other ways that value is created are just as important to landlord customers as the energy savings. Through purchasing better systems and modernizing their properties, they may get the benefit of more durability, which creates less wear and tear on the new systems that are purchased and reduces the overall level of capex expenditures that the landlord could experience from their properties. That's another form of increasing the cash flow from their apartment properties over time. And also, we know that market rate tenants have a choice, and they definitely will choose the better quality of life in every case when their rental dollars can pay for it. Finally, on the front of product design, they're going to have to spend a lot more time looking at the lack of data that supports the performance of multifamily properties that have been retrofitted. Also, really take a look at the benefits they could achieve by making the products easier to access. And that means finding out ways to reduce transaction costs for energy efficiency financial products and reduce the complexity associated with trying to access incentive dollars. Well, that's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed this short overview and highlights of what happened at this multifamily energy efficiency finance workshop. As I've said before, you can find out more information about this event and a blog post with this title at our website at galleyecocapital.com/Our Green Journey. Thank you very much, and I hope to hear from you soon.